The prescription is already saved, but the real automation starts now. In this video, I will show how ServiceNow after business rules trigger powerful backend actions inside a pharmacy application. Hi everyone, this is Praveen. Welcome back to my ServiceNow business rule series. Today, we are implementing an after business rule in our pharmacy app. Once a prescription record is inserted, we will automatically trigger system actions like logging diagnosis details, updating related records, and executing backend automation. This is exactly how real-time workflows run in production environments after data is committed to the database. Let's start. Here, the task is, our interview question is, how do log patient name diagnosis when prescription is created? So log means in system logs. How we can implement the system logs if patient name and diagnosis when prescription is created? Let's start with business rules. For this purpose, we are using, already the data is a database. We need to give in the system logs. That's why we are using the after business rule concept. After business rule is used for the to trigger actions to create or update other records, to send notifications, change records after update. For notifications purpose, we are using after business rule. Before business rule is before the record is saved to the database. Make fields mandatory, prevent update, change values before save, stop duplicate records, prevent priority downgrade, prevent reopening, resolve incident. As per our requirement, we are using the after business rule. Let's start with the business rules. We can navigate business rule by sys underscore script.list. Sys underscore script dot list. Then enter. Click on new. So name should be relevant to our requirement. Here our requirement is log patient name and diagnosis when prescription is created. Just paste in the name. That's a good practice concept. And table is, we already created a pharmacy application. So we are selecting the pharmacy app. Then click on advanced. It will highlight the here advanced and when to run will highlight. In when to run, we are, as per our requirement, we are using after business rule. And the order is 200. So it will prevent the collision of other business rule applications working. While insert and update, we can click on that. Then, and coming to advanced, we are using with this. Here, the concept is how to log patient name and diagnosis when prescription is created. So we need to get the prescription created and patient diagnosis. So now we are using gs.information for this getting. Here, function execute rule current previous. It starts business rule function. Function means it will start the business rule function. Current means newly saved record. Previous means old record values, but it's not used here. So now we are using the gs.info. Here, what's port is notice, write message to system logs. So we are writing the message to system logs. What message we are giving? By adding gs.info. gs.info. We'll write the message to system logs. gs.info is used for the debugging, tracking, and edit purpose. Here we are using gs.info. What information we need? New prescription. New prescription created. New prescription created. To patient. Arrow mark to patient. Then created to the patient. Plus current dot. Current means current table. Current dot. Patient name. Backend value of patient name is here. U underscore patient underscore name. Copy. Then paste here. U underscore patient underscore name. Plus need to use R symbol. Diagnosis. In the comment. Plus current dot diagnosis. Backend value of diagnosis. Diagnosis. That's it. It means new prescription created to the patient. The meaning of this line is static test to describe the event. It means makes log message to readable. Makes logs message to readable. Then next point is current dot u underscore patient name plus diagnosis. These will come in the logs. Fetches patient name from the record. Current dot u underscore patient name is it will fetches the patient name in the record from the record. Then diagnosis is separate to text clarify. Will clarify is the diagnosis like that. Current dot diagnosis means fetches diagnosis value. Whether diagnosis is sugar or fever, it will fetches that value. Then end with semicolon. That's it, guys. Then you can save the record. Just format the code and then submit the record. Just you can test with the application. Just you can type with the new application. New one. Patient name is Chitti baby. Chitti Babu 123. Patient weight is 80. Patient age is 38 and body temperature is normal. And I will show sugar level is 200. Just I'm submitting here. And before submitting, just copying this number. Description number. Yes, submitting. So we should fill the mandatory fields. These mandatory fields we can created by business rules test. Then I'm submitting. Then we can check the system logs. System logs we can search by enter system logs here. Then under the system logs, emails are there. System logs, all are there. Click on all. It will show all here. Here. Already it's one created. The system log is created here. New prescription created. Patient Chitti Babu 123 diagnosis diabetes. Click on this. So this one we created. New prescription created. Patient Chitti Babu 123 diagnosis diabetes. That's why we are created here. New prescription created patient. Current dot u underscore patient name is patient name and diagnosis as a sugar like that. So it's created like this. New prescription created. Patient is Chitti Babu, 123. Diagnosis diabetes. That's it, guys. Like this way, we can create very easily. And that use of after business list to trigger actions to create or update other records to send notifications. Changing record after update. So as per this requirement, we send it already a notification. So this is a way uh, we can do after business rule, and we can practice very well simple way. That's all, guys. So this is the ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen YouTube channel. Here we are creating 100 videos of business rules, including before, after racing display, and all debugging concepts, and including all basic concepts. It will be useful for the starting to perfection of business rule series. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you to all. Wish you all the best, guys.